Let's take a look over my 1/5 scales and what I've been working on the last few weeks. This one here, it's the Roving L5. I got the rally body, should be here tomorrow with the roll cage. Start like this. Okay, and this one here, we running the 2-speed transmission with the G320. It's a Noah engine with the DDM Dominator pipe. Over here we got the Losify T2.0. And in this big boy here, we running the OBR 34cc V2 9.4 horsepower reed case with the bottle-on pipe. Then we got the Roving Bodger 5SC. We also running the, I gotta put my outerwear back on. I did some testing because my strain, I was gonna change the strain. I gotta handle that before I run it again, but we running the OBR 34cc in here too. I did the carbon fiber wrap on mostly all my little plastic pieces. And this right here was my air filter off my L5. I ran it on this engine. You know, it get better out because it sit right by this window right here. Let me see. Then we got my FG clone. Doing some work to this one now. Running 30.5cc. I got a 36cc I'm finna put on here. Those some of my 1/8 scales. And that's my fully aluminum Fox KO show. But yeah, this is what I've been working on the last month. All these cars basically new besides the L5. This one here like 2-3 weeks old. I just built this one here. So yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of good videos to come. It's just so hot in South Florida, so that's why I hardly run them, because I don't like to be out there in the heat.